online with just laptop or phone. How to earn online with just laptop or phone. It is very important to know that you can earn with your phone or your laptop. If you are a graduate and you come from university or college, we have to know that we are in digital era and you can earn with your laptop or your phone. It is very important to know that if you have a shop, if you have a pharmacy, if you sell shoes, you can sell your products online or through digital marketing. For example, if you have a page or a website, for example in Facebook, you can sell your shoes or your pharmaceutical medicine through online when you are still on house or in an office without working or struggling by going to the office or searching for the white collar job. It is very important to know that you can sell your things through digital marketing. It is very important to know that you can sell your product through opening of YouTube channel. By selling your product, you can sell them through Facebook, you can sell them through TikTok, you can sell them through Twitter. All these are digital marketing. Yes, online. And your bank account can have a flow of money, dollars, if you sell, and you be forecast. Yes, welcome. And online just with the laptop or phone. Yes, by number 2, by working on Facebook. If you have a laptop, you can work from home and you earn from Facebook. Yes, you can work with the Facebook, or you can sell your product or buy product using your digital online. That is the use of Facebook website. Yes, Facebook you can earn by it, because nowadays if you look from the other countries earn from Facebook, but Kenya nowadays also earn from Facebook. It is very important to know that if you don't know, if you have a laptop, you can earn through Facebook or through Facebook website. Yes, please work. You can sell your product or you can buy. Facebook, it is somewhere you can earn from Facebook and you can earn from selling or buying. Yes, it is by just working with your laptop. If you don't know, you have to consult people who know, those who have done for IT, information technology or computer packages. It is very important to know that you can work with through Facebook. Please subscribe down on my channel and may God bless you. Today we have talked about how to earn online, and it's very critical to know that we are in digital era. Yes, number 3, by creating of YouTube channel, you will earn money. Yes, you will earn through digital. It is a digital online earning. Yes, if you work with your YouTube by uploading videos, shorts, and putting them on your channel, when you qualify for 1,000 and 4,000 watch time hours, then you'll be approved to join the YouTube partner program. Yes, you become YouTube partner program and you start earning monthly. Yes, so it is, you can earn online without going to work or struggling with the 1, 2, 3. Yes, keep uploading consistently, and in the future your bank account might flow with money. Yes, welcome. Please subscribe and may God bless you.